Hello everyone, this is Hessian Lord, and today I got a very special video for you today. Today it's called doing a wheel assembly. So I cannot tell you what I'm working on, strictly for business purposes, but we are doing a wheel assembly on it. So this is my rotor right here, my hub, my rotor, my wheel hub, right there. Wheel assembly, wheel hub assembly, right there, right down there. The reason why it's going bad is because it's taking out grease from the bottom of here. Grease is coming out of here. That's not good, okay? So we're just gonna replace it. Warning, it's going to be loud today, okay? It's going to be loud because I'm using air tools, and yeah, it's going to be really loud today. I'm also using red Loctite, okay, for my bolts. Here's my new bolts for my new hub assembly. Take those out really quick. If you ever want to do this at home, I suggest you do it yourself because it's so much simpler. I'm putting, okay, like this, onto my new wheel hub. Beep, 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 beep. Either end, doesn't matter. Put some red Loctite on the bottom of it. And you may be asking, why am I using red Loctite? Well, red Loctite will not move. It'll keep that piece into position. So right now I'm screwing that basically in the bottom of my wheel. So there's one. Here's number two with red Loctite going over here. I'll move it right here. Guys, here we go. Number two. Ooh, that one gets stubborn. And I'm going to tighten these down a lot further because when I get vice grips on here, it's going to be a lot better. What you want to do is, well, first thing you don't want to do is put a nut on here and then twist these threads on because you're going to screw up these threads. Okay? Don't do that, please. Just don't do that. Okay? It's really simple. Okay, there's that. That one was working. Now I got to do one more. Beep, beep. Red Loctite. Yay! Okay. Since we got that now I'm just going to grab some vice grips. Where did I put you? Should be around here somewhere. Vice grips. Hide in the background. Okay, so I'm going to get, don't grab your threads. Grab medium length, okay? Grab medium, like right there. Okay? Get it nice and snug. Grab it tight, and then twist it, okay? Then let it go. And then try to twist it with your fingers. It may have just been a stuck thread, okay? See, there it goes. Nice. Real nice. That goes real nice. Okay, all these have red Loctite on them, so I don't have to worry about them coming off. Okay, sorry about that light back there. It's just fucking there. Ooh, that one's tight. This one now. Ooh, this one wasn't tight. Ooh. Nope, it wasn't. It has a ways to go. So I'm just using my vice grips just take it down. These threads go on to your lower control. Well, not your lower control, your drop down bar. So when you bolt these up, you'll see like 2-bolt pattern in the back, 3-bolt pattern in the back. The car that I'm working has a 4-bolt pattern in the back. And yeah, it's a big beefy car. Big beefy. Right, beefy. Okay, but this is almost tightened down on these threads. Come on, go peacefully, you monkey. And I'm working for this job now, the past 2 weeks, not here, working for a different job. I can't stand it because, have you ever worked for someone in your life or, you know, your job and everything, and, you know, the guy or woman in charge does not treat you with so much respect as you should be getting, you know, basically saying, not that you're not doing your job right or something like that, you know, basically just saying, oh, okay, well, do your shit right the first time, you know, or the kind of cocky assholes who go to the college for, what I say, the University of Dick, because they all study to be an asshole or a dick, okay? That's mainly what they do, but not ragging on anyone, okay? It's just, I love my profession, but, you know, if something, you know, is wrong, tell me about it the first time. Don't go around my back and start shit, you know, slapping and wilding people and shit. It doesn't, you know. Okay, so that's on. See, here's your new one. Put the threads on there. Take that to the side right about now. Now, this is the point where it's going to get really loud because we're using air. Impact them, okay? If you don't have this, it's okay. Okay, warning, going to be loud, okay? Right now, this whole piece that I have right here, so these bolts inside here, right here, are holding in my old hub. I gotta take all these out, air hammer the centerpiece to make the old hub slide out. And this rotor is going to be replaced too. So, let's get it going. For my socket that I'm using a 21 because it's a big fan, Okay, here we go. Loud warning. Taking out my bolts. Okay. And these I'm going to red Loctite too. Okay. Okay. Because these vans endure a lot of miles, they endure a lot of mileage, okay? So if these bolts ever come loose, it's not going to be good down the road. Okay, there's all my bolts. Oh, I was thinking it would slide off so nicely, but I guess not. Must be a dick. Okay, so now we're going to change bases. Take off my air from there. Air hammer. Okay, but here's what I'm going to do first. This is a good thing on there. Okay. I'm going to take my whole assembly and put it on the vise. So I'm going to turn you guys to the right, which is right there. I'm going to be right here. Okay, so I'm going to take this whole thing. Since we don't care about this rotor, slap it right there. Flip it up a little bit. Slide that vise down. Go. Because we're going to replace these rotors anyway, so we said screw them. Okay. I'm just trying to get my vise to work correctly. Okay, now I'm going to tighten it down really hard. Okay, now I'll show you what I have to do. Now, come here. Alright, see this piece right here in the middle? Right there. I have to air hammer that back, okay? So this rotor and this cap would come off, and this old wheel hub will come off. See how that grease stick back there? Right there? That is no bueno, okay? So, let me see where I can put you guys. Let's see here. Maybe. Yeah. Yeah, I'll put you right there. Sounds good. If this store wants to cooperate with me. Ah, you got a hose in the way. Stop using your hose against me. Nope. Oh. How about right there? Nope. Okay, we're gonna do this one-handed. We're gonna do this one-handed. All right, phone's on my left, air hammer's on my right. Okay, we're gonna do this good. Okay, here we go. Put it right there. She will nip, she will chip off paint because we have paint in here. Of course, she will be stubborn, okay? The other one will be stubborn. Okay? Ooh. Come on. Whew, this is gonna be fun. This one's being stubborn. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna loosen it up. And you know what that entails? We need a major hammer. A major hammer. Some days you just gotta take your aggression out on, you know, parts or stuff that you're working on for cars. You know, that's what I do. Sorry, had some coffee. So I'm looking for a major hammer now. I got a hammer. Okay, so I'm gonna have to put you down for this. I'm gonna put you down right over here so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, try to hit this rotor that way. Well, somewhat, because the rotor's still on the vise. So I'm gonna try to hit this hub right here. Headphone warning, headphone warning. Okay, it's coming off nicely. See how that hub is moving? See how that got loose? That's got loose. Okay, I'll reposition you guys again. You can stand up a little bit more. There you go. Right there. Okay. Air hammer. Hate that bottom lip. I'm gonna change that. Where's my other Had to change the tips of my air gun. Didn't like it. Almost there. So. Almost there. And there is our side. Okay, now this other hub is stuck for a second. Slide your vise up, back a little bit. Check this out. See your hub and rotor, right? Whoa. There's your old hub. Here's your old rotor. Both pieces we don't need. The only piece we do need is the outside cap. Okay. And that's basically how you take apart. There we go. And that's basically how you take apart a rotor and a hub assembly. Okay. Now to install it, just reverse the process. Put your bolts inside. I'll go up here. Reverse the process. Put the hub on first, then slide your rotor on. Make sure the holes line up against the last piece, okay, which is your normal hub for your wheels. And it should slide together. Use red Loctite on your bolts. It should go together really, really nicely. Okay. Once again, this is Hesky Lord, and always thank you for joining me at another car video. Have a good day. Bye bye.